Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube video. My name is Achol Silas. Once again, today I'm going to be discussing how to create a report card using Excel. Without wasting any more time, let us dive into it. So, right here I have my raw data. I haven't calculated anything, but I want to use Excel to do everything, get the average, get the total, get the position, and even grade. Without wasting any more time, let me begin with getting the total. The total here, I'm going to type the formula. Whenever you're typing the formula, make sure you start with equals to, then you type the formula. In this case, I want to add. So the formula for that is sum. Is it sum? Then I select which cells. From which cells do I want to add? I want to add from B3 to D3. Then I press enter there. Now I just click here in the bottom corner. I just drag it down. Everything will be the same in all the preceding cells down. You can see every calculation or every total has now been calculated by just simply using one function to get the total of 1, then you just absolute it downwards and you find that you have saved yourself a lot of time. Yeah, yeah. Then right here it is getting the average, so we use the formula average. Whenever you're typing the formula, make sure you start with the equal signs. So now average, we are getting the average still. We're getting the average from here up to here. And you close, click enter. Now there we just make it absolute for the whole uh, column down. So yeah, that is it. You have gotten the average, you have gotten the total. As simple as that. Now we are going to position. Position, we have to rank this against the total of this. So equals to rank, it is here, rank. This is the returns the rank of a number in a list of numbers. Its size relative to the other values in the list. So we make sure we rank this, the total here, against the whole of this. So it's rank into bracket. We are ranking this total, comma, against that, against the whole of this. From that to E10. We make this absolute. We also make this absolute. Then, comma. If you want it to be descending, you put a 0 right there, close the bracket. But if you want it to be ascending, where the lowest is number 1, that would make sense in terms of a report card. Report card, the highest has the first, the best is the best, so is number 1. So in this case, we put 0 because we want the highest mark here to be number 1, while the lowest to be the last. So when you click there, this one is number 3. So you drag from this bottom corner downwards up to here. And yeah, you can see here 275 is number 1, is the highest, so it is descending order. The highest is number 1, then the lowest is the last. You can do it the other way. In case you want to do it for practice, make sure you put 1, then you're gone. So the grading now, in terms here, I'm going to grade as A, B, C, D, E, and the rest. So we use the if formula. If bracket. So when you are grading, we are going to grade the averages. You get? You're going to grade the average. So So it's the logical test. And if you get the logical test, the value if true, then the value if false. Yeah. So we start. If f3 is greater than or equal to 90, comma, bracket, you return a, in comma, if into bracket, still f2, f3 I mean is greater than or equal to 80, comma, open the bracket, open the quotation, return b, close the quotation, comma, if the bracket, sorry, f3 is greater than, sorry, is greater than or equal to 70, comma, um, open the quotation, c, return c, comma, if f3 still, sorry, so whenever you make a mistake in typing the formula, Excel normally reminds you of your mistake. So if f3 is greater than or equal to 60, comma, open the quotation, return it as D, close the quotation. Then finally, rest the false ones, just return F, close it. Then now you close the bracket. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. You found the typo? Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh, let us start afresh. Oh, sorry. So if two brackets f3 is greater than or equal to 90, comma, return a, close it. If two brackets f3 is greater than or equal to 80, comma, open quotation, b, close, comma, if bracket f3 is greater than or equal to 70, comma, open quotation, return c. If two bracket f3 is greater than or equal to 60, comma, two brackets, return b, close the bracket. Finally, if otherwise, return f, close the bracket. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now here we have b has been returned. So we drag it here. So we find we have graded all of them. The ones which are 80 and above, between 80 and 90 is B, 70 and 80 is C, 90 and 100 is A, D is 65, and yeah, there we have your report card. Created very well. Thank you so much. Let me see you in the next video.